Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and delete Snapchat account from web. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for Snapchat web. Click on the first link that pops up and make sure that you are logged into your account. If you don't know how to create or log in into a Snapchat web account, I've already made a video on that before. So with that being said, let's just get straight into it. Now, in order for you to go ahead and delete your account, click on the top left profile icon and click on account settings. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken into this page right over here. And now down over here, you want to simply go ahead and click on delete my account. So simply click on that, go ahead and enter your username and password and simply go ahead and click on continue and your account will be deleted. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.